So, so we have to solve for x, y, z, u, and w, right? X greater than equal to y greater than equal to u, z, and w, right? So first case, if we are taking no equality signs are in between, right? So if no equality signs are in between, so we can say what we required, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 numbers we required out of 10, because the maximum, like the greatest number will go to x. So no worry in that. So I can write this is 10C5. Case second, I'm saying, okay, let's suppose I'm taking one equality sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4C1 is one of the equality sign. And if there is one equality sign, let's suppose anywhere, so you have to select 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers only. So this into 10C4, right? Third, when I'm saying we have to select two equality sign, right? For two equality sign, we have to select only three numbers. So 10C3, you have to select the number. Exactly, you are getting a number in that way. If you are selecting three equality sign, x greater than equal to y greater than equal to u greater than z equal to u, 1, 2, those, this we can done by 4C3 ways. And how many numbers we have to select in this case? 10C2, right? And the fifth one, if I'm saying all the equality signs are there, right? All the equality signs are there, so 4C4, but 9C1, we can't take 0 in this, right? Sum of all this is equals to your answer. So if you'll see this, so is this okay? Is this okay? Is this okay? Are you getting this? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Yes. Everyone getting this? Is this okay? Now, what my question was, if I'm writing, very good, Sanjana, right? Right? My question is, I'm writing this as, first one is, I guess, 10C5 plus 4C1 into 10C4 plus 4C2 into 10C3 plus 4C3 into 10C2 plus 4C4 into 10C1 minus 1. Right. So if you'll calculate this by binomial, right? So sum of this number, including this, is coming as 14C5 minus 1. So why you are getting this answer directly? How you will get this answer directly? Question is clear, right? We have to write down all the 5 terms. What I am saying, it's not required to write down all the 5 terms. If you are able to think properly, so directly we can write this 14C5 minus 1. That's it. Right? So that you have to think. Huh? I'm going for a second question. In the increasing decreasing order, what I'm saying, suppose these are the plates, right? These are the plates over there, right? And we have a shooter, right? He is into shooting, right? The condition is he had to strike the plate in this order, right? First, he has to break this plate, then only he is able to break the next one, or then again the next one. And similarly for all this thing. Question is clear? Right?
Can you repeat it?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plates are placed in such a way that one is right. 4 plates are in such a way that 4 plates are one behind the other, and 3 plates and the 5 plates are one behind the other. Right? One shooter is shooting in such a way he's able to crack the plate one at a time. And the order is also fixed. First, he has to clear the front one, then he's able to go for the next one, right? In how many ways he can crack the complete plates or the target?
So means the number of combinations in which he can shoot to complete it.
Yeah, total number of ways. So, Chris, the question in the last one, the question is why I am able to write down the answer in this form. Right? The answer is 9 plus 5 minus 1c, 5, right? Why I'm able to write down in that form? Okay, this one. We'll go in that one also, but not this one. We have to. The increasing, decreasing order of permutation combination or the combinatorics that we are doing. This is a very good concept, right? And lot many questions you are able to solve by this method. First, done. See, let's start with the basic, right? Let's start with the basic. See, what if I'm giving you the question in such a way, right? There are 10 students, A1, A2, A3, up to A10, right? There are 10 students, A1, A2, A3, up to 10, A10. We have to make a rank list in such a way that A1 is always ahead of A2. Right? We'll go for that one, that question, but I'm starting with the little bit right from the basic, right? Just I'm giving you 10 different students, and you have to make a rank list of these 10 students in such a way rank of A1 is always ahead of rank of A2, right? We can solve this question by different methods, right? So first one, what I'm saying, first method, A1 is at first place. So for A2, we have how many options? Right? For A2, we have 9 options. And other people can arrange in a factorial 8 way because the conditions are not given for other people, right? So 9 into factorial 8, right? First, if A1 is at second position, right, this position, then obviously, right, A2 having right 8 possibility and factorial 8 is again. Now I'm saying ki A1 is at third position. So A2 having 7 places and factorial 8 up to the last one. it's in the ninth one, so A2 having A2. So this is factorial 8 is common out. This is coming as 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9. This is nothing but factorial 8 into 9 into 10 by. Is this okay? I guess it's only counting. So I hope everyone is understanding this. This is the first method, right? Any other method you want to explain, Joseph, how you are getting this answer? You answer. Explain this, please.
So just using summation.
Just summation. Any other method? Any other method? Anyone? Sanjana? Tanay? Utkarsh? Aryan?
Sir, I thought it was a shooting question.
Okay. We will go to that question right afterward. See, the second thought process, second way of thinking this. See this carefully. What I'm saying, what I'm proposing, in fact, there are 10 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? There are 10 positions. The grading is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First, what I'm doing, I'm selecting 2 positions out of these 10. In how many ways we can select 2 positions out of these 10? That's very good. Very good. 10C2. So 10C2, I'm saying 2 position. I'm selecting this position and this position. So, right, one position is ahead of, always one position is ahead of other, right? So the above position, the first position I'm giving to A1 and second position I'm giving to A2, means I'm arranging this by one way. A1 will be always ahead of A2, right? And all the other 8%, then they can sit in factorial. Is this okay? I guess this is better than the last one, right? This is better than the last one, right? Okay. Okay. We'll go for the third method. See this carefully. Second one is clear. Is this clear, everyone? Comfortable, everyone, with second method? You have to select 2 positions. You are selecting 2 positions. The above position you are giving to A1. The below position you are giving to A2. And the other position we can arrange in any way. So we are writing factorial, right? Factorial 8. Third, what I am saying, okay, 10 positions are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can arrange the complete set in factorial 10 ways. We can arrange this complete set in factorial 10 ways without any restrictions. Is this okay? But we know that in half of the cases, A1 will be above and half of the cases, A2 will be above. So if I'll divide this by 2, we'll get the, is this okay? Half of the case of factorial 10, right? And we'll go for the fourth method again. See, this is the thinking process. It's not the first method, second method. Like in the question, you have to think in a way like it must be in the lucid way, right? It's flow like water, right? You have to flow like water. See, what I'm proposing in this, right? I'll start with some basic thing. A, B, C, D. In how many ways you can arrange this? A, B, C, D. If 2, like 2 things are identical, how many ways you can arrange this?
5 factorial upon 2 factorial.
5 factorial upon
5 factorial by 2 factorial.
Everyone is okay with this? Everyone is okay with this, right? So in our question, it was given, right? There are 10 students, right? So what I'm saying, 2 students are AA, then A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, right? See, this method is the actual method, right? What you can use in like this, you can use anywhere, right? So what I'm saying, there are 10 students, right? Two of the students A and other students are A2, A3, A2 up to A10, right? This can arrange in factorial 10 by factorial 2 because two A's are same. Now, what I'm saying, two A's are identical, right? So it can take one A will be always above than the other one, right? So let suppose first A is right, right behind there at the top, and second is anywhere in between, right? It can go anywhere, right? It can go anywhere, right? So what I'm saying, right, these two A, this I'll write A1 and this I'll write A2, that's in only one way. So always the above one, right, A1 will be always ahead of A2. First, we have to think both the A's are same. So if both the A's are same, I'm writing A2, A3, A4 up to A10. Now we can arrange all these students by factorial 10 by factorial 2 ways, right? Because both the A's are same. But now we can create this in such a way, I'm saying the above A, right? Two A's are there. The first A, we can write that one as A1 and second A, we can write as A2. So this is A1 and A2. The total number of arrangement factorial 10 by factorial 2 and the arrangement only one way I can write the first A as A1 and second A as A2 is one way. So the answer is this one. All the four methods you have. So first you have to tell me which one, first, second, third, fourth. Which one you like most?
Fourth.
Fourth. तन्मय का तो आ गया fourth और संजना, which one? Sanjana, which one? Krisiv, which one?
Four.
Four. All the forms? Okay. Aryan,
Sir, fourth.
fourth. Utkarsh,
So fourth.
fourth. Daksha. Okay. So let's now. Still, we are in this question. Now, your turn. Now think. Either by the first one or second one, your third or fourth one, just anyhow you can solve this. Take your time. Take your time. Maximum 3 minutes.
Sir, done.
Done. Done, everyone? No? See, I'm not doing that question, right? I'm doing another question. See, what I'm saying, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2. We have to arrange these 5 alphabets, right? Letters in such a way that A1 will be ahead of A2 will be ahead of A3, and separately B1 will be ahead of B2. In how many ways we can arrange? So we have the restriction on this, and we have the restriction on this, but we don't have restriction on these two. Means first place can be taken by A1, but second place is not sure. It could be taken by B1 or A2. Third place, if second place is taken by A2, then third place will be taken by A3 or B1. And else, if second place taken by B1, then third place can be taken by B2 or A2. So every time we have to change the things. So if we are thinking in that way, so that will be always a problem. So we have to go out of the box. These 4 methods are there for increasing, decreasing. We have to manage the rank. So again, you have to manage the rank of this, right? So what I'm saying, these 3 A1, A2, A3 are same. A. These two B1 and B2 are same. That's B comma B. Is this okay? Is this okay? Right? So how many are there? How many? Total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But 3 are identical, 2 are identical. So I can write down this as factorial 5 by factorial 3 factorial 2. Right? Now, this is A, right? This A and B can be arranged in any ways, right? So we are writing A, B. So this A you are writing A1, A2, A3. This B you are writing B1 and B2. So you are arranging this in one way. You are arranging this in one way. So total number of arrangement is factorial 5 by factorial 3 factorial 2, and arranging in one way. So the total number will be factorial 5 by this only. Right? This is 5 into 4 by 2. This is 10. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? So try once again. First, note down this, note down this, note down this.
Sir, I got another method.
Tell me.
Sir, in the first case, we can take at the first place it can be occupied by A1, and then in the case 2 would be occupied by B1, and then so on.
That will always a problem, right? Always you have to count. And if the like variation will increase now, A, B, C, right? That always creates the problem. So, so what we have to do, we have to take this as a bunch, right? That separate bunch will be arranged in one way only. The second separate bunch is arranged in one way only. So we'll be always like able to write down the answer in very like few steps, and in just 1 or 2 steps we can write, right? So now try this one. Every time I'll come to this question, right? If you're not able to do, I'll go for another question, right? We'll just go through that question, then come to this question again. That this question you have to solve. Utka is very good, beta.
Sir, I given my
Aryan, you have not to write those numbers. We are not able to find those numbers. And it's not.
yes, sir, but the basic answer I've written up.
See, again, I'm going in another one. See, what I'm giving you this time: A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, C4, and C5. We have to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 and 5, 12, right? Or 12 in such a way A1 greater than A2 greater than A3 greater than A4, B1 greater than B2 greater than B3, and C1 greater than C2 greater than C3 greater than C4 greater than C5, right? In how many ways we can arrange this? Right? Anyone? Answer of this?
12 factorial upon 4 factorial upon 3 factorial upon 5 factorial.
Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? Sanjana, Rishabh, Aryan, Tushar?
Yes.
Yes.
Is this okay, everyone? Right? Now. So why you are writing this? Why you are writing this? Utkarsh, why you are writing this?
So it is because we can always arrange the plates in such a like we will
Numbers,
take
numbers,
all
numbers,
all
numbers, numbers, numbers. We
so
can arrange numbers, numbers. Plates of
uh,
numbers, numbers.
we can arrange the numbers in such a way that like it is in the increasing order.
Mhm. So only one way of arrangements are possible in this. In this again, one way of arrangement. This again, one way of arrangement. So first we are arranging all the 12 letters in such a way, factorial 12. But these 5 arrangement we have to stop, right? That we have to arrange by one way. These 3 we have to arrange in one way. These 4 and arrange one way. So we are getting this answer. Is this okay, everyone? Is this okay? So the last chance to go for this question, write down answer, everyone. Don't say anything. Just you have to go with the answer. Write down. Aryan, very good. Very good, beta. This is 5. This is 4. 5. Very good, Sanjay. I hope everyone is getting the answer. Kasib, okay? Raksha, okay? Okay,
Yeah.
everyone? Now,
सर मैंने कुछ देर पहले ही आंसर भेजा था.
very good. Now, the question now that will be the, like, you can go with the simplest question, right? See, there are 4 students, S1, S2, S3, and S4. And their respective mothers are M1, M2, M3, M4, right? And we arrange an interview for all the 8 people in such a way. Students has to come before their respective mothers. Student has to come before their respective mothers. In how many ways we can arrange the entry? Wow, wow, Chris, very good. Now you are finding how to write fast, na? This is a direct question now, I guess. Very good. This is very good, Aryan. This is called increasing, decreasing order. I hope everyone is getting this. Write down, fast, fast, fast. Very good, sir. Very good. It occurs. It occurs. ये क्या कर डाला? ध्यान से सोचो. Those things think again. Sanjana, your answer. Right? Done. So this is S1 must be greater than M1. Similarly, S2 must be greater than M2. Similarly, S3 must be greater than M3 and S4 must be greater than M4. Right. The restrictions are given in these cases. Right. So total number of arrangement, but we have to restrict the arrangement of S1 and M1 first, second, third, and fourth, and we have to arrange them in one way. So this factorial 8 by factorial 2 to the power 4. Because why you are writing factorial 4 two times?
So वो गलती हो गई थी.
Understand now? It's okay.
Yes.
Understand now? Right? So like these question can be asked in any way, right? Any like this is given as S1 and M1. If right, direct question will be there, I guess. Right? Why only mothers are going, right? This time fathers are also going. And the condition is the student has to come before their parents and interviews are going on one by one, right? It's not given who is coming first, M1, right, mother or father, right? But this condition is given, the student has to come before their parents. It's a good one. Well, a simple one, but just you have to think.
So
Good.
before both the parents.
Before the parents, before both the parents. Aryan, think. Let's start. Aryan, this is not correct. Think again, beta. Mm-hmm.
सर मदर और फादर आने का ऑर्डर है क्या?
Order is not given.
Okay, sir.
Tanmay, oh, how you are writing? Just you have to explain, beta.
Yes, sir. So I took 12 places. And then in the first one, there could be four possibilities of anyone S1, S2, S3, S4 coming. And then in the next box, there could be two. And then the of mother and father's choice
Why,
on the
why,
second place.
second position, why only 2? Why not 5?
Sir, because the son has to. Okay, it could also be five.
Understand now?
Yes.
Don't go by this method. Don't go by this method. This is always you will find difficulties, right? First or second steps are okay, but after that, always you'll feel problem, right?
Yes.
Oh, Nitin, you have changed, Kise. Very intelligent.
Yes.
Good. Utkarsh, what is this? What you have written, beta? Why factorial 8?
Sir, sorry, एक minute.
Ah, you have taken from last question. Yes, I understand. Tushar,
Yes, sir.
yes, beta.
सर
Good thought. Just explain.
सर मैंने दो ऑर्डर दिए कि पहला कि S1 फिर मदर वन और फिर फादर वन, और दूसरा केस ये रहेगा कि स्टूडेंट पहले जाए फिर फादर और फिर मदर, ऐसे दो केसेस सर
Not bad.
नहीं।
Not bad. So why you are dividing by 3 each and every case? Why
सर
you
हर के
why you are dividing by factorial 3? If you are saying you are taking only 2 cases, why dividing this by factorial 3?
सर फर्स्ट केस के लिए तो 16 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन S1 ग्रेटर देन M1 ग्रेटर देन F1, लाइक पहले ऐसे।
नहीं फंसा बेटा. Think again. Think again. कर्स हो गया, आर्यन होगा, तन्मय, संजना. Yes, why you are writing? Okay. Utkarsh, why only 2? Right? So please, Chris, explain your answer. That's good one. Very good. So explain first one. First one, na? Then we'll interpret the second one. First one. First, explain the first one.
So basically, in the first one, there's son, mother, and father. So the son has to come before mother and father, and mother and father do not have any order. So we'll assume that there is an order, and then we'll break the order of the mother and father by multiplying it by 2.
Not bad. And second one,
Same.
see. So what we are proposing, okay, let's suppose the question is something like that, S1 has to come before M1 before F1, right? Let's suppose the question is SI, MI, FI for any I is equal to 1, 2, 3 or 4. So the total number of arrangements are factorial 12, right? And these three can arrange, means we have to restrict these arrangements, right? Arrangement of these three, right? Arrangement of these three, arrangement of these three, arrangement of these three. So this is factorial 3 to the power 4, right? But in this question, it is not given that M1 and F1, right? So M1 and F1 restriction is not given there. So what we are saying, okay, M or F, right? Mother and father can interchange their position. In how many ways they can interchange? To factorial 2. And how many these pairs are there? So into 4. So this is the answer. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone?
सर मैं पहले वाला स्टेज तक पहुंचा, दूसरा स्टेज में ही बस प्रॉब्लम था।
Understanding this or not? ये समझ आया?
यस सर, सर समझ आया, बस वो दूसरा वाला पार्ट बस नहीं हो।
It's a process, beta. It's okay. Nah? The main thing is that we have to understand. Okay, the arrangements, how we have to restrict the arrangements. Right. Maybe these is this okay, everyone?
अच्छा आपने एक मेथड बताया था जहाँ उसको डिवाइड बाय 2 करना, तो मैंने सेम लॉजिक लगाया।
Right. We can divide every time by 3, 3, 3, 3. So only 3 options are there. Right. 3 possible cases are there. Right.
So why did you divide it by 3 factorial to the 4?
First case, we are thinking, okay, that will be easier if the complete this son or student, mother and father, they are in increasing or decreasing order. So we are thinking that S1 coming first, then their mother, then their father.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Right? So we are dividing this by factorial 3. But we realized no, this is wrong. Why wrong? Because mother and father can interchange their position in factorial 2 ways. Right? Factorial 12 by
Yes.
factorial 3 to the power 4 and this. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm changing the question, but just you have to think how we are able to solve this. The next one. Right? Last question is okay, everyone. Now we can proceed, right? Okay, one more question we can do, right? There are functions are given in such a way, it's from A to B. Set A to B is a function or the mapping is there. In function 1, this is F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5. 5 numbers are given in the function F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5. And in set B, it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. The condition is F function must be increasing. Function must be increasing, strictly increasing. What is the meaning of strictly increasing? F5 must be greater than F4, must be greater than F3, must be greater than F2, and every numbers are greater than that. In how many ways we can map the function?
So we have to arrange them in the same box.
Yes, corresponding means
Sir, only greater to, no? Not equal to.
Now only 8 numbers are given in the right one and 5 are given in the left one. Very good. Very good, Sanjana. Let's think again. Done, everyone? This time we have to just 3 of the number will be left out. We have not to arrange them. We have to only select them. Very good. Very good, Sanjana. Aryan.
सर मैं सॉल्व कर
Very good, Utkarsh. See, in this case, total number of arrangement will be 8C5. From 8 different, we have to select 5 and arrange in only one way, right? So we are selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So any 5 we can select out of 8. So 8C5, only one selection is there and the arrangement will be always 1. This is not factorial 8 by factorial 5. Obviously, we have to divide this by factorial 3 also, right? These 3 are not arranging, right? We are not touching them, right? We are not arranging all this thing, right? These 3 are not arranging, not involved in this, right? Is this okay? Right? Next, in this again, there are 10 pair of shoes. We have to select 4 shoes, not pair, na 4 shoes. In such a way, we will get exactly 1 pair. We'll get exactly 1 pair. Aryan, why 4 to the power 5?
सर मुझे पता, वो उसका नहीं, वो पिछले वाले का क्वेश्चन का था, क्योंकि मैंने इसको रेंजेस लेके किया था, फिर उसके बाद 4C1 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 करके मैंने इसको थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्सिफाई किया था तो
4C1, why 4C1?
सर क्योंकि रेंजेस जो मैंने बनाए थे F1 के लिए 1 to 4, फिर F2 के लिए 2 to 5, फिर F3 के लिए 3 to 6, इसीलिए वो मुझे पता चला वो गलत हो गया फिर बाद में।
This one, now 10 pair of shoes means you have 20 shoes. Out of these 20 shoes, we have to select 4 shoes, all at a time, na? All at a time, all the 4 shoes we have to select all at a time. We have to get exactly one pair. Take your time. Tanmay, take your time, right? 2 to 3 minutes you have. Take your time, everyone. Take your time.
सर ना
Mm, no, 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 no. No. See, you are selecting 10C1, means 10C1 means you are selecting one pair of shoes, right? Then
यस सर
you have 18 shoes, right?
Yes, sir. Then I divided by 2 so that we'll get only one of the shoes. So
But you are
from there
writing,
I have selected.
but you are writing 9C2. 9C2 means you are selecting from 9 other pairs, you are selecting 2 shoes.
No, sir. No, sir. I meant that in 10C1, if we take, I am taking from the 10 pairs. So 2 of the shoes have already been done. Now we are left with then 18 shoes after the 2 pairs have been left. Then I have divided it by 2 so that there are no chance that we'll get another pair. That's all.
So you are saying, this is incorrect. See, think in that way, right? Listen this carefully. You are very good. Your thought is very good. Now thought process is good. You are selecting it 10C1, you are selecting one pair. Now, out of 18 shoes, you are rejecting the left one or
Yes,
the
sir.
right one, or you are selecting 2 shoes from the right or the left, right? So 100% you are not getting the pair one, right? But
Yes.
think in that way, if I'm selecting one shoes of yours and the right one or the left one, and I'm selecting one shoes of Utkarsh, am I getting a pair?
Can you
Obviously
repeat
not.
your voice?
Obviously not. Nah?
Sir, your voice was breaking
Ah,
for me. My internet.
hello. Now it's okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
One shoes I'm taking from yours, right? And other I'm taking from Utkarsh, right? Is this
Yes, sir.
possible to get the pair?
No, because it's not the same type of
But in that
shoes.
case, you have not taken. Sanjana, why 20C4 into 10C1, beta?
So हमें number of ways find करना है या
Number
number of
phase. Number
ways?
phase. Sanjana, why 20C4 into 10C1?
So because we have total 20 shoes now. So we select 4 shoes out of them.
Mm-hmm.
And we have to make an exactly one pair. So it's 10C1.
So 20C4, you are saying any 20 shoes, any 4 shoes out of 20, right? So what if we'll get all the four shoes, all are the pairs? That will not work, na? Tanmay, why 1530? The exact answer number.
Sir, because first out of 10 pairs of shoes, I chose one pair which was 10C1, and then now there are total 20 shoes, so I've taken 2 of them, so remaining would be 18, and then choosing 2 from them would be 18C2.
Not bad. But what if I'm getting from 18 to C2, I'm getting both as a pair. So I'm not getting exactly one pair, I'm getting two pairs in that.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Right, then Tushar, why 10C1, 9C1, 8C1?
Sir, first we select one pair out of 10 pairs,
Mm-hmm.
10C1,
Mm-hmm.
and then there are 9 pairs,
Mm-hmm.
like 9, suppose left shoes and 9 right shoes. Then
Mm-hmm.
we select one shoe out of, suppose left,
Mm-hmm.
9C1,
Mm-hmm.
and then there are rest other 8 from which we can select so that no pair is formed.
What if I'm selecting two shoes of left only? The case is not given there. Utkarsh, 10C1 into. So you have to understand, my role is not only to get the right answer. My role is to just pick every time I have to pick what is wrong in your answer. Right. So Utkarsh, why 10C1 into 9C2 into factorial?
So firstly, like I found the number of selections and the first we can take one pair from the 10 pairs. We'll be left with 9 pairs and two shoes to take. So you can take two shoes from the two different pairs of the 9 given pairs.
So how you ensure that what you are saying or what you are thinking mathematically that you are writing? Your thought process is very good, right? That's the correct thing you are saying. But in mathematical, what you have written, that's not coming up that one. Think again,
We
think
sound
again,
yes,
think
I
again.
got it. I got it. What mistake I made?
But Sanjana, understand this. See, what I'm saying, if you have multiplied with 10C1, now means 10C1 is saying ki already you have taken 10 out of 10, one pair you have already taken, right? So now you have to select only two shoes because you have already taken two shoes. And again, you are selecting 20C4 means four shoes you are giving in, right? So that will be wrong. Huh? Factorial 10, factorial 4, factorial by factorial 7. Now, I'm not understanding this. Utkarsh, please explain. Receive your answer.
So 1 minute, I will write it in the form of combination.
May I? May I start?
So, one second.
Okay. This is again a very, very, very famous concept, not only the question, right? When we have to select the pairs, we can apply the dearrangement, but selection process will be like only few shoes we have to select. Now, dearrangement is applicable when we have to arrange the complete set. But in this, we are not just going through the complete set. Only four we have to select. See, let's start. Let's start. See this carefully. What we have, right? We have left and right. Left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What I'm saying, the first case, all the four are from there and zero from this. Second case, 3 out of 10, and 7, 1 out of 7, right? 2 out of 10,
Sir, why 7?
2, I'm saying, just I'll explain this. 8 out of this, 1 out of 10, and 3 out of 9, and 0 out of 10, right? 4 out of 10. First thing, what I'm saying, if I'm selecting, this is the first method, right? This is the first method, right? Just we have to start with the first, second, third, fourth, all the 4, 5 methods, right? So this is the first method. What I'm proposing, all the left shoes are there, right? Out of 10 shoes, 10 left shoes, I'm selecting 4 left shoes and 0 right shoes. So in how many ways? 10C4 into, right, 10C0. In the second case, what I'm saying, if this is 10C3, right? Out of 10 shoes, I'm selecting 3 shoes, right? And these three shoes are from left side. So 7 out of 7 shoes, now I have to select 1. So I'm like, we have to ensure this. I'm not selecting all those shoes of right one. That left one I have already taken. Right? Same way, I'm saying this is 10C2, right? And this is 8C2, right? This is 10C1, 9C3, and 10C0, 10C4. This is the first method. Only I have to just go through this, right? Why I'll not get this? Only the counting one.
Sir, but won't the 10C4 into 10C0 will be excluded? Because here we are only counting the left two. So how it will be exact 1 pair?
No, this I'm writing for no pairs.
Oh, no pair.
This I'm writing for no pairs, right? And now if I'm able to write down for no pairs, 1 pair is always easy. Kaise? Right, see. What I'm saying, 10C1, say exactly 1 pair already selected. So how many left and rights are there now? 9. 9. Right? Is this okay? Are you able to write it down? 2 from this, 0 from this, 1 out of 9 from this, 1 out of 8 from this, 0 from this, and 2 from this. Is this okay? So 9C2 into 7C0 plus 9C1 into 8C1 plus 9C0 into 9C2. This into 10C1. Is this okay? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Right? This is the first method, what I'm saying. This is the first method. Only you have to calculate. Just I have shown you key, like, if no pairs are required, so that I'm able to calculate the 1 pair and 2 non-pair, so always easy, right? First method. Second, should I go for second one? Is this okay? Second one, second method. See. See. If I'm selecting 10C1, 10C1 means I'm getting 1 pair, right? And now how many shoes we have? 18. Out of 18 shoes, I'm selecting 2 shoes, right? Or what I'm saying, so how many pairs we have? 9. So 9C2. I'm selecting 2 pairs. In 9C2, I'm selecting 2 pairs. And from every pair, I'm saying each having 2 options. So I'm selecting the shoes in 2 square ways. See this carefully. Left and right. Right? What I'm saying is just I have to go through one of the pair, that's 10C1. Already selected this. Now I have 9 pairs. Out of these 9 pairs, I'm selecting 2. From these 2, I'm saying I have one left, right, and left and right. So if I'm selecting from this, I'm saying I have 2 options. From this again, I have 2 options. So I'm writing 2 square option. From this, either I can select left or right. From this, either I can select left or right. So this could be your answer. Is this okay?
So for finding the number of pairs, we should multiply by 4 factorial also. So
Why?
this, oh, so like the way in which select the like if you select 4 shoes,
Mhm.
like let's say A, B, C, and D. So sir, we can select it in order A, B, C, D, or then B, A, C, D like that also.
Mhm.
So this the 4 factorial
Multiply
we
or
should
divided by that?
some multiply.
Divide na. Ordering.
Yes,
Huh? Thus you are giving the order na.
yes,
Already given the, but in this case, we are not taking the order because we have not earlier done that. That's the reason I'm not taking with the orders. Without order, I'm doing that.
okay, sir.
Right? So 10C1, what I'm saying, 10C1, I'm selecting one pair. And now I'm saying from 9 pair, right? I'm selecting any 2 pairs. And from each pairs, we have 2 options, either the left one or the right one. So I'm selecting it 2 square ways. Is this okay? In the same question, if I'm saying you have to select 6 shoes, right? 6 shoes, find number of ways to select exactly one pair. First question. Second, exactly 2 pairs. Right, 2 questions. Fast, everyone. Faster.
So the number of pairs are not given.
The same question, beta. 10
Oh,
pairs. Na? 10 pairs. But every pair contain only 2 shoes, na? Aryan,
Yes, sir.
so why you are writing 4 square?
Sir, I thought that 4 square was for the how many shoes?
Think again. Tomorrow we'll continue with this only, right?
So now is it correct?
See, first one, exactly one pair. To 10C1, you have taken the pair. Right now, you have to select 9 shoes. out of 9 shoes, you have to select 4 shoes.
4 shoes. So instead of
Right.
9C2, we took 9C4.
9C4. And from every pair, you have 2 options. So this is 2 to the power 4.
Yes, sir.
Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, why
So-
multiply it by 2 to the power 4?
So every pair having 2 options, either the left one or right one, left one and right one, left one and right one, left one and right one. So these 4 cases, I'm saying either I have to select the left or the right one. So I have 2 options for this, 2 options for this, 2 options for this, 2 options for this. So all having 2 options, so this
Yes.
will be power 4. Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Shallow. So just you have to check this out, right? Tomorrow we'll do this question and we'll study one more concept on this, right? That's called ordering, right?
Sir, send a second answer.
Good, 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 good. Very good. Okay. So tomorrow we'll do, we'll continue this session. Okay, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, Sanjana. Right? Thank you, everyone.